Hey, it's Dr. Hooper and Dr. Crow here, and we want you to know that there's a more permanent solution to missing teeth: dental implants.
If you're missing a tooth or getting an extraction, implants can be the perfect solution for you. They will appear completely natural and function just like the teeth you used to have. Or if you have dentures that are not stable, we can replace them with implant-supported permanent restorations.
At East Brainerd Dentistry, we're proud to have the latest in implant technology, the 3D X-ray. Having this technology allows us to see a three-dimensional view of your teeth to safely and accurately place your implant.
It also reduces the length of the appointment, with some implant placements only taking 30 to 45 minutes, and it allows a more precise implant placement as well.
Every person and case are different, but if you're missing a tooth or teeth, we'd be happy to take a look and provide you with the best option.
If you want to know if implants are the best option for you, give us a call at 423-892-8169 or visit our website at eastbrainerddentistry.com.